Welcome to Week 18, a Christmas edition of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL picks, and then I use those 3 picks in a parlay. I picked the 3 teams that I think are most likely to win, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment required. So if you're interested in earning some free Bitcoin and making some NFL predictions, please use the Ember app that I've linked in the description. And for the year, I'm 43-21. I've won $256.76, and I've lost $91.35. My first pick is a Christmas game between the Detroit Lions and Minnesota Vikings. The Lions have been up and down this year, but they're playing a third-string quarterback, so I think they'll take care of business. My next pick is the New England Patriots over the New York Jets. The Jets are playing a third-string quarterback and look like they're kind of packing the season in, while the Patriots are the 1 seed. I think this is pretty much a gimme. And my last pick, which is also a Christmas game, is the Denver Broncos over the Kansas City Chiefs. The Kansas City Chiefs are also on their third-string quarterback, and the Broncos are the 2 seed. Kansas City doesn't look very good. They were terrible last week with their third-string quarterback, and I don't see this being close. Which means I have a parlay of the Denver Broncos, the Detroit Lions, and the New England Patriots, betting 5,000 sats to win 8,652. So let's shoot for 3 4-0 weeks in a row. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'll be back next week with updated stats and new picks. See you then.